How to check if your Facebook page is eligible for monetization. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if your Facebook page is eligible for monetization. It's super simple, so let's get started. But before we move forward towards the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Now, let's move towards the video. First, you need to tap on your Facebook app. Now that you're in the Facebook, you need to log into your account where you have access to your page. Now you need to simply tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to simply go ahead and switch for your page. Once you are switched to your page, you need to simply tap on your profile icon located in the bottom of your screen. From here, you need to simply scroll down and then you need to tap on help and support. Once you have expanded help and support, you need to simply tap on creator support. From here, you can see an option that says monetization. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you need to tap on first option that says monetization eligibility. Simply go ahead and tap on that. And now, as you can see that my page is not yet eligible for monetization. If you are eligible for monetizations, it will be available right here. And if you are not, you need to go ahead and post more contents on your Facebook page in order to become eligible for monetization. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.